The world of science. The Glasgow Science Centre is the ideal place to learn about the wonders of science. Located next to the River Clyde in Glasgow, Scotland, the GSC opened in 2001. The Science Mall is the most popular part of the centre, and there are over 250 exhibits inside. On the first floor, there is a planetarium where visitors can explore the universe we live in. The second floor introduces you to careers in science, and you can take part in experiments in the lab. The third floor is dedicated to biology, and visitors can learn how the human body works. If you're in Glasgow, don't miss this educational day out that's fun for all the family. Another great place for the whole family to learn about science is Evericum. It's part of Mega Park, a giant shopping mall which opened in Almaty, Kazakhstan in 2017. It's a wonderland where people can explore the world of physics, chemistry, and optical illusions. Don't miss the science shows, where scientists explain chemical reactions and then let you conduct your own experiments. Hang from the ceiling in the gravity room, find your way through the mirror maze, and try to stay on your feet in the rotating tunnel. All the wonders of physics and chemistry are on display here. It's a unique opportunity to interact with the incredible world of science firsthand. What's your favourite science museum?